Here I will show how to add a new column table. We already have a table here. Select all from users. Okay, so this is our table. Okay, table Jerry, Harry and Tom in country. I want to add a new column. How to add a new column? Filter table name is users. Okay, add column. Let's say I want to add column is, and it is integer type. Table altered. Now if I want to see, you see that our column is here. Is I want to add value here for Jerry, Tom. Okay, clear the screen, update. If you want to add value, update users, set is equal to, let's say, 3. Okay, where name equal to Tom. Update it. Select all Tom users. Now you can see that Tom age is 3. Let's say I want to add Harry for update. User set age equal to 10, where name equal to Jerry. Okay, you have to use this code syntax semicolon, update it. Okay, select all from users. You see, edit. Again, clear screen. Clear. Now I want to from users. You can see. Now I want to add value for update users. Set is equal to 9, where name equal to, let's say, Jerry, right? Harry is Harry. This is actually conditional clause. When this condition matches, it's going to add the age. Okay, and this is syntax. When you want to add, update the table, you have to update. Push enter. Select. This means all. We are selecting all from user table and semicolon. You see that all row has now values, right? Now if I want to drop one column from the table, I want to drop it. Okay, clear the screen here, select all. You see from here, you can see now I want to drop the edge. Now type alter table users drop column. Which column we want to drop is table alter. Okay, now see here again, select all from users. See, here is column gone. This is how to add a new column, add value, and drop the column. If you have any question, you can type. Okay, thank you very much.